I was sent this pet hair removal tool kit for my review, and this is really cool. I've actually never seen anything like this before. So you get 3 different pieces and then you get the pole. So this one here, as you can see, we just used it and it is full of that gunk right there. So this tool here you'd be using on like smaller carpets, like little area rugs or bedding, and just because it's nice and easy to hold into your hand, and you would just kind of stroke it down and it's just gonna remove all of that pet hair, as you can see in the video. This one here you'd be using for suede, wool, cashmere, because it's not as intense. Obviously you want to be careful with that kind of material. And then this one here is for carpets, but this one is the big boy here. So if you've got like a large floor carpet, you'd want to be using this, and this is the pole that you would actually attach to. So of course you're not on your hands and knees just holding on to this, and so you've got like all this little like grippy part right here. So you would take that along the carpet kind of like this, but then if you have really heavy duty, this is like little like wiring here that's going to catch it. So you'd grab it from this side and then do that, and then it's just going to kind of grip everything and it's going to get caught up in there. And because this is, of course, you know, the material that it is, the silicone, these are really easy to wash. You rinse this under some water, let it dry, and you are good to go. So if you are like us and you let your dog rule your house on your bed, on your couch, clearly dog hair all over my clothing, these things are definitely recommended.